Selena, say thank you to Grandma for all the stuff. Selena, say thank you to Grandma.
For the story I'm writing about you. For the newspaper.
Say thank you. I love this stuff, especially the Bible. I can't wait to be old enough to do the puzzles. That's so neat.
I could, but the picture's gonna be in the newspaper tomorrow.
Miss Selena's kind of preoccupied watching TV.
Don't worry, Scott. I brought a brush and hairspray. This should fix your hair right up. See? It's working already.
Tell Grandma this is the second day that I sat in the chair all by myself. I like to sit in it all the time now, so I'm sitting up. I like to look around.
Don't worry, Scott. I'll keep that hair down.
Tell Grandma thank you. Selena, will you smile for Grandma?
Now everyone take
Can Mommy get Selena to smile for Grandma?
slowly.
Selena! Selena can! Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy and smile. No, nobody's over there. Smile. Say thank you, Grandma. Oh, there we go. Say thank you, Grandma. Can't wait to see you.
One.
Say I love you, Grandma. Selena. Selena. Camera's over here, baby. Look over here. Say thank you, Grandma. I love you. Say bye-bye. Oh, let's show Grandma her hair. Let's show Grandma that hair. That crazy, crazy girl hair.
3.
And look, show her the earrings. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I love you.
When
I love you,
see that
Grandma.
side,
Thank you for the stuff.